Hi, boys and girls. This week we are studying words that have an S blend, either at the beginning of the word or the end of the word. So we're starting to learn some harder words now. And most of these words have 4 letters instead of just 3, which is what we've been doing. So you guys are doing awesome, being better readers. This paper, we're going to write our spelling word, and then we're going to write a sentence with our spelling word so that we're practicing writing our sentences also. So the first thing we're going to do is put our name at the top of the paper. Then I'm going to give you your spelling word. So the first word is stop. What sounds do you hear? S-t-op. Let's write it. S-t-op. Good. Now let's write a sentence using the word stop. Let's write I can stop. So we're going to start with a capital I. I can stop. And then what goes at the end of our sentence? Period. Very good. Let's do the word slip. What sounds do you hear? S, o, e, p. Let's write it. S, o, e, p. Slip. Let's think of a sentence using the word slip. Let's write do not slip. And let's do an exclamation point at the end because we would say, do not slip. We don't want to slip, right? Next word, number 3. Let's do vest. Pop up the sounds. V-e-st. Vest. V-e-st. Good. This time the S blend is at the end. Let's write the sentence. He has a vest. He has a vest. Now remember, if I'm talking too quickly, you can always push pause. Okay. Next word. Snap. What sounds do you hear? S-n-a-p. Snap. That's right. She can snap. Capital S. She. Leave a finger space. Can snap. She can snap. Next one. Let's do best. What sounds do you hear? B-e-st. Best. B-e-st. Best. Now, what do your teachers always say? Do your best. Do your best. Do your best. Next word. Let's do slat. S-o-a-t. Slat. A slat is like the in-between parts of a fence if you look through the fence. So let's say, I can see a slat. I can see a slat. Next one. 2 more and then we're done. Let's do the word we already did snap. Let's do spun. 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 So spun and spin are kind of the same. So it's like turning things around. So she spun on the grass. She spun on the grass. Okay, one more. Let's do the word step. What sounds do you hear? Step. Let's say take a step. Take a step. All right, boys and girls, very good job with your sentences today. Make sure your name is at the top, turn it into the basket, and start on your Lexia.